Here's how to add confetti to your Getresponse page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Go to Get Response and then on the main menu, choose Tools and then Landing Pages. Choose the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the confetti demo to go to the editor. Now go ahead and click on the three-dotted icon and then click on Edit Design. Once you're inside the editor, click on the plus button at the right side of the panel to add elements. Choose Custom Code and drag and drop it to your page. By the way, please disregard the content you're seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now going back, click on Insert Custom Code. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next. This is what it will look like. Now right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Control-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the custom code space provided, click on Save and Exit. It will route you back to this page. Now you can go ahead and click on the landing page URL to test out this page. And if you did all the steps I mentioned correctly, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see the ConfettiPage.com branding appear at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.